Let's continue for question number 4 of exercise 14.2. Now a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. So we can make it in the form a square to the whole square and b square to the whole square. So the value remains the same, square 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 4 power. Okay, now it has become in the form of a square and b square. So our a is equal to a square and b's value is b square. So one bracket of plus and one bracket of minus. Okay, so a square plus b square and a square minus b square. Now again we can proceed. So a square minus b square is okay, but again it has given a square minus here it is plus b square. Okay, but a square minus b square again we can split. So a 1 plus a plus b and a minus b. Clear, friends? Similarly we can go for the second question. So p raised to 4 means p square whole square. What about 81? So 81 we know that the factors of 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 means that will give 3 raised to 4. So we can write 3 raised to 2 whole square. Okay, now our a is equal to p square and b is equal to 3 square. So as per the p square plus 3 square, one bracket and minus 1. So p square minus 3 square. So p square plus 9, 3 3 are 9 and p square minus 9. So these are the factors of this one. Similarly we can go for this, and here the question is z, y plus z. So x square whole square minus, here we can write y square z square whole square means 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. Okay, so our a is equal to a square b square form में. So a is equal to x square and b is equal to y square plus z square. So we will write one bracket plus and one bracket minus. So we will write a plus and a plus b. So it will be x square plus b is equal to which one? Y square z square. And in the second bracket a square minus y square plus z square, that is b. Okay, now we want to resolve this bracket. So x square plus y square plus z square and another bracket, that is x square minus, removing this bracket, y square minus plus minus z square. So pay attention and try to solve this one also. Similar type of question. So x square whole square and x minus z, दोनों का power 2 2 and whole square. So a square b square. So our a is equal to x square and b is equal to x square minus z square. So same way we have to keep it in the bracket. So first is x square plus x square minus z square, and in the second bracket x square minus x square minus z square. Now resolving this bracket. So x square plus x square minus z square. Okay, and for this one x square minus x square minus minus plus z square. So we will just get an idea that 1x square, the 2x square minus z square. Okay, in one bracket and another bracket you will find these two get cancelled, plus and minus. So it will be z square only. Plus z square means z square. Hope so clear to you all, and we proceed. And this fifth question is part of your homework. क्या करना है? Let's solve it. So it is a trinomial. 1 2 and 3 term means trinomial. First let's check root of first term is possible. Yes, a square का root हो सकता है. Last term root b square whole square. Okay,
Now for the middle term, 2 multiplied by root of first term, that is a square, and root of last term, that is b square, and it's 2 ones are 2, a square b square. Okay, so middle term is also fine and complete. So this is a perfect square trinomial. So when perfect square trinomial, using identity, which identity you have to follow, that minus 1 middle one. Okay, so root of first term, that is a square, sine of middle one, and root of last term whole square. क्लियर. अब ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर यहाँ तक तो हम लोग ने कर दिया. This we can go for that. This is power of this one also and this one also, so it will be a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. Now this we can put in light, a square whole square minus b का square का whole square. So our a is equal to a square and b is equal to b square. Already we have done for this. Okay, already in the first question we have done like this, the same procedure now. Okay, so we have got a raised to 4, b raised to 4. Now one bracket plus a square plus b square, one bracket, and another bracket a square minus b square. So this can be still splitted, and a square plus b square is one bracket. Now this one, a plus b and a minus b. So these are the factors of it. Hope so clear to you everyone, and we proceed for the next question number 5 of 14.2.